In this tutorial, I will be showing you 9 digital products guaranteed to sell online this year. And the good thing about this is that most of these digital products have the potential to become passive, meaning that you only have to do the work to create them one time, and then you can set them up to sell over and over again on autopilot without you doing any further active work. The very first digital product is printable planners and organizers. These are super popular because everyone loves staying organized, whether it's students, professionals, moms, you name it. And with Canva, you can create daily planners, budget trackers, meal planners, or even fitness journals. You want to just simply go to Canva and you can type something like meal planners. And once you do that, Canva has a whole lot of templates that you can work with, and you can just simply tweak and design to your taste or add a little bit of creativity to it. And you can save them as PDFs and sell them on platforms like Etsy. You can see different of these planners here. Easy to create simple planners, and the best part is you can charge anywhere from $5 to $30 per planner depending on the extent or the kind of planners you are doing, and people will buy over and over again. You can see this particular planner has made over $18,000 in revenue from just a single digital planner, and this is a very lucrative thing to do if you are planning to sell digital products this year. Now, the next on the list is ebook. Now, if you look through Canva, you can see that Canva has a lot of ebook covers. And simply how ebook works is if you have any knowledge about a specific topic, it could be probably it's how to prepare African dishes, how to prepare intercontinental dishes, whether it's cooking, personal finance, or even gardening. You can turn that into an ebook, and Canva can help you design. Canva has really good ebook templates. You want to just take and customize the templates, and platforms like Amazon KDP can help you publish and make it easy to sell your ebook. And guess what? With Amazon KDP, you can earn 70% royalties on every sale, and that is passive income at its finest. However, if you already do have an established audience, then you can simply have an online store. It could be Shopify, it could be your own website, and you can also sell your ebooks there. Now, the third one is online course templates. Now, with the rise of online learning, people are creating courses left and right, but not everybody knows how to design slides for their courses, and that is where you come in. You can create editable Canva templates for course slides. So you can just go to Canva and you can click course workbook. So you can create editable Canva templates for course slides, workbooks, presentations, and you can see all of this. These are easy course workbooks that you can click on and customize to your own taste, add a little bit of creativity, and you can go ahead to sell them on Amazon for between $20 to $50. This particular course creator bundle has made over $7,000 just with a single digital product. So this is really lucrative, and this is something you want to be hopping on this year. Now, the fourth one is social media templates. Now, businesses and influencers are looking for ways to save time. Social media is on the high. Everybody wants to put out content on social media, but people want to save time on content creation. And what you can do is you can design Instagram post templates, Pinterest pins, or even thumbnail templates in Canva. So you want to simply type social media templates, and of course Canva is going to give you a lot of social media templates that you can prepare. You can bulk it or prepare it, and you can sell this on Etsy and make between $5 to $50 per pack. And the good thing is you can sell these same templates over and over again. Now you can see these social media templates. Canva has generated over $4,000, and this is just from a single digital product. And mind you, you can put up multiple bundles of templates and they can all be selling at the same time. If you are finding this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so when next I drop another video, you will be the first to see it. Now, the fifth one is stock photos and graphics. Now, if you have a good eye for photography or design, you can create stock photos, icons, or illustration. Now, a lot of creators who are going into content creation need stock photos that they can use for their video creation, and this is where you come in. Now, websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and even the Creative Market can allow you to upload and sell your work. And every time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. And it's a great way to make passive income because it is set up and continues to generate income for you with or without an audience. Now, the sixth on the list is digital stickers for planners. And these are super fun to create and sell. People use them to decorate their digital planners on apps like GoodNotes or Notability. You can design cute icons, motivational quotes, or themed stickers in Canva and sell them as PNG files. So you can go to Canva and you can put digital stickers and you can see all these cute digital stickers. Now you can sell them on Etsy for between $5 to $15 per sticker pack. So you can see this everyday digital planner stickers for GoodNotes has made over $12,000 just from a single digital product. So this is a sign that this is something you should be upping on. This is something that is lucrative and you should be leveraging this year. The seventh on the list is website themes and templates. Now, with more people starting blogs and online businesses, there is a huge demand for beautiful, easy-to-use website templates. You can design these website themes and templates for platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Squarespace, or even Wix, and you can sell them on marketplaces like Etsy, TeamForest, or Creative Market. Now, if you go to Canva, Canva can also help you create beautiful website themes and templates, and you can see all these beautiful ones which you can use, customize. You want to add a little bit creativity, so you don't just want to copy and paste. And the simple templates can sell for between $50 to $200 per template. Now, you see this Squarespace template for virtual assistant has made over $15,000 just from a single digital product. And this is a sign that this is something you should be leveraging on that has the potential to make money for you this year. The eighth on the list is digital art and prints. Now, if you are into art or designs, you can create digital wall arts, posters, or printables. You want to think about maybe like motivational quotes. It could be abstract arts or even kids' room decor. And you can use Canva to design this. You want to go to Canva and you can search digital arts. And you can see amazing templates that you can use, customize, and of course, express your creativity with it. You can charge up to $10 to $50 per piece depending on the complexity. So you can see this colorful cat wall print here has made over $1,000 and counting. And this is just from a single, simple, easy to create digital product. And this is something you want to be leveraging on. Mind you, you can list multiple products when it comes to your Etsy shop. And the ninth on the list, which is another great digital product to sell, is Notion template. Now, Notion is a popular productivity tool, and people are always looking for templates to organize their lives. It could be habit trackers, it could be project management systems, or goal setting dashboard. For example, you can create like a project planner. You want to make the template as organized as possible. And once you are done, you can share and export them to sell on Etsy or Gumroad, and you can charge up to $10 to $50 per template, and the demand is really growing fast. And you can see this Notion template ADHD planner has made over $68,000, and this is just from a single digital product. So imagine you listing 5 of different Notion templates. Imagine how much one can make. Now remember, these are passive income streams. You just need to create the product and it can keep selling for years once you set it up rightly, like on the marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon. Now let me know in the comments which of them you are going to try first or which of them resonates with you. And if you are looking to sell solely on Etsy this year, I have done a video on some unsaturated digital products that you can sell on Etsy, solely Etsy this year, and make a whole lot of money from it. If that interests you, click the video you see right now on your screen and go check it out. Ciao.